Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I got something to unbox. I just made a purchase from online and this is instant coffee. So I wanted to have some variety. Like I've tried the Nescafe Gold and Davidoff coffee, and so this time I ordered another brand, which is the Country Bean. I just want to try some variety, and this is the first time I've ordered this. So these are available in different flavors. Like this time I ordered the hazelnut flavor, and there are also other different flavors. So let's see like if I like this, later I can order different other flavors. So this is a pack of 120 grams. And this product is also available on their website Country Bean, and also you can check on online retail. So let's see. I'll quickly transfer this into an airtight container and I'll start using this.
Yeah, I love coffee. Mornings I love coffee. Where is the tin? Keep it ready now.
So this bag is an airtight bag, so I can either keep it on this or transfer it into a bottle. So quickly let's just make some coffee. I always like to start my morning, my day in the morning with a cup of coffee. So quickly let's just try this coffee. Lovely aroma, and it's important to keep this airtight, because coffee definitely it will get attacked with moisture. So let's quickly try my coffee.